Yes! This is my dog!
Dude, his songs are just so deep.
Always made me never want to be a bad child ever again.
His lyrics just hit you right hard, man.
I grew up listening to that type of music, you know. Going to school with my dad, he'll have like the CDs and blast it in the car.
When you think of like rap itself, he's like one of the first like real guys that were, you know, really starting and breaking out onto the scene.
The guy's music just changed my life as a whole. When I'm in a bad situation, and this isn't a he's a poet.
So amazing. Like, he's just always been one of those rappers who like rapped about the real issues in the world and like never wasted his time about like the hoes and the money.
This is my jam.
He's like the icon, the father of. This is a pretty badass disc.
It's crazy to think like someone 20 years ago can write something about their struggle at the time, and it's still prevalent today.
He upped the standard, man. If he were still today, music would not be how it is.
I really wonder a lot, like if he was still here and like making music, how different the entire rap game would be.
It's pretty sad though. Like, he was such a talent. Why do you have to go?